Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a C by GE Cync Smart Thermostat and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might need to do a hard reset for a variety of reasons. If it is not responding, or if it's not syncing with your devices, or it's not connecting to your devices, or if it's not following the protocol that's been given to it, anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these troubleshooting issues, and it's quite simple to do. Now, there's a couple ways to do it. First of all, you can do it straight from the app. If you just go in and have the app delete the device, this will reset it to its factory settings. But you can also do it straight off of the thermostat. And all you need to do, just keeping in mind that once you do this, you'll need to reset it up and resync it with whatever app or whatever you want to use it on. But if you just come in and on the menu button that's down here at the bottom right, you just come in and press and hold this menu button for 10 seconds. That will initiate the full factory reset to default settings on this thermostat, at which point we can turn it on and set it back up as a new thermostat.